Welcome back to the Vhelium channel. My name is Tim, and I'm going to be going through a couple of things with you today. We're going to be taking this brand new SenseCAP miner that we just got. This is our first one in our group. We have, I think, 12 racks and 6 currently Panther X. We have some more Panther X. We've got 4 Bobcats on the way. This is our first SenseCAP. I wanted to do an unboxing of it. And also then I'm going to work with, as you can see in the background here, and up here on the big screen, you can see a big spreadsheet there. But I want to go through what we're going to do with this. SenseCAP is actually put it at our testing facility here where we measure everything else. We've had a rack gold spot, a Panther X2 SX1308, a Panther X SX1302, and now this SenseCAP is going to replace the last Panther X that we had. So let's go ahead and unbox this real quick and see what's in store here. Looks like we've got some instruction sheets telling us how to get started with this. Pretty standard. We'll take a look at, here is the miner. Oh, okay. Well, that's pretty impressive. So I actually got a steel case, metal case, in addition to antenna, USB-C power source, Ethernet. I can see through the grill here. It's like a cooling grill. Let's see if we can see this. Oh, there you go. You can see there are 2 USB 3 and 2 USB 2. Reset button, Bluetooth button. Looks like you can see inside there. You can see a cooling fan, heat sink, another port on the back side for cooling. I'm pretty impressed with this. I'm actually looking forward to putting this one up and maybe putting it out in the hot Arizona desert, see how it stays cool. We have a brick. I like this, nice and small compared to the Panther and the some of the other ones that are rather large. USB-C. And looks like last but not least, we have the standard antenna. It says 915 megahertz on it. What I don't see is a key to Bluetooth with. I'm assuming that's what this little button is. This must be a reset button. Not super important. I'll get back to this in just a few. Right now what I want to do is show you why we do these comparisons. They really are for you, so that you can kind of gauge and look and see, you know, one miner is one better than the other. I know people are just swear by Bobcats. I can't say anything because we don't have one yet, but we've been waiting since October 1st when we placed our order. And I think we are weeks away from getting it according to the ship numbers that they have. So it will be exciting to get this one in place, test this SenseCAP, and then put a Bobcat at this location also. And usually we go about a week, maybe 2 weeks. We'll see with the network being what it is right now. Right now I want to give you an idea of what I work with on a daily basis. And so I'm going to go to the big screen up here. And I'm going to try to work with you on kind of zooming in and zooming out. This is a spreadsheet that we put together. This keeps track of the daily production for all of our miners. You can see this is the Panther X SX1302 that is currently at this location. It's actually been deployed since... Oh, let's go up one more. February 24th. And you can see right there it did 0.1221, 0.122, yep. And then 0.219, 128. It's essentially for those 4 days, it ended up doing 1 HNT in 4 days, which was a nice, good start. We thought we were going to get some good results, and then here we are back on in March, and those results, there it is again, 2.4, 0.2, 0.1, and it begins to tail down. Some of that's due to the network. Some of it, you know, who knows? It's just kind of tailing down here a little bit. At the end of the month, that one miner, we're going to focus right there, and you can see hopefully it did 3.6, so a little less than 1 per week. And here we are right now. So far for the month, it's done, hasn't even done 1 HNT on a weekly basis. The first week it did total 0.661, so it really dropped off. I think a lot of that just has to do with the network switchover right now. Currently today it produced 0.086, so really not a good day. Some weird things that are going on. So with that said, what we're going to do is we're going to come back down here, and okay, so then I'm going to work on the process of actually getting this SenseCAP up and going. I'm going to do a separate video on it and how to actually set it up. I can say that I don't know that I've actually seen anybody do a video recently on setting up a SenseCAP miner. So look for this video on the next video on setting up the SenseCAP, and we'll put it in here, see how it starts producing in the coming days, and then we'll be back with you. Hey, I appreciate you coming by. I do ask that you would subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. That way when we do more videos, you'll get a notification. Support the channel the best way you can. Also like, and if you haven't heard, we try to answer every single comment that comes into the channel, and I really appreciate you asking questions. Don't forget you can find me on Discord as @Loquacious. That's LOQU. Should be able to find out the rest of the spelling on it. But my name is Tim. This is the Helium Group, where we love to mine helium. Hope you have a great day.